So the equals method that we're going to be using is basically checking whether the string representation of an object and the string representation of this object are exactly equal, okay? And so for part A, if we have a hash code that always returns 3, is this a valid hash function? So first we need to check whether it satisfies determinism and consistency. And if it does, then we can move on to whether it's good. So if I hash two objects, A and B, that are equal using the given equals method, will they always be hashed to the same value? The answer is yes. In fact, any two objects will always be hashed to the same hash value, which is, in this case, 3. Consistency is also satisfied precisely because we only always return 3. And so if you call the hash function on an object at one point in time and again at different point in time, you're going to get returned the same value, 3. Okay, so this is a valid hash function. Is it a good hash function? The answer is no, because you return the same hash value every single time for every single object you hash, it's going to result in a case where your hash map has really only one element, right? And that element is just one bucket, where the bucket has a total of n elements. Okay, and this n represents the total number of objects you have in your hash map. So this is really just the same thing as a linked list, right? If you want to retrieve an object from this hash map, you will have to traverse linearly throughout this entire array, which will result in a really bad runtime, a linear runtime, whereas the whole purpose of having a hash map is, and a hashing function is to achieve a constant runtime.